As we always say, we are law-abiding citizens. We have tried and we have obeyed the court's restraining order, and by today the judge gave a ruling assuming jurisdiction. I need to make it abundantly clear that the substantive matter itself has not started. There was a motion, there was a preliminary objection to the jurisdiction of the court, and the court today assumed jurisdiction. And for me, I'm ready to go on appeal. In the next few hours, we will be submitting our notice of appeal to the court, and we will remove all the matters from that court and take it to the court of appeal. I believe that I will get justice in the court of appeal. I believe that Labour Party will get justice in the court of appeal. Yes. Because this same court in the FCT in 2023, in the case of Suleiman against APC, did the same thing. And the law reports Suleiman against APC 2023, a law report decided by the Supreme Court made it very clear that these matters before the court has no jurisdiction. And so that's where we are standing, and I believe that whatever the judge has done today cannot stand before the court of appeal. I have confidence that the court of appeal will do the right thing, and therefore all our papers will be in by today, and I'm sure that by Monday the appeal will be ceased. And so I want to assure all our supporters, all our members, that they should remain calm. I remain the national chairman of the party. The party is correct. Labour Party is a democratic institution. Yes. And you don't use coup d'etat to take over the leadership of the party. That's right. You don't take over the leadership of the party from the back door. What our Papa and Co try to do, although we understand them because they have been paid by their paid masters. Yes. If you look at the statement they have made today, they are talking about the tribunal. Whatever they say is about the tribunal. Whatever they say is about the tribunal. And it's no longer news that these disgruntled Labour Party members have been paid to truncate the cases in tribunal. No. If you look at all their interviews, it is tailored towards that. Even today, they are also talking about the tribunal. And therefore, they are only satisfying their paymasters. So we urge our party members to disregard them. You don't take over the leadership of the party from the back door. Nobody appointed them. And the constitution of the party is clear as to how you remove a national chairman, how new one should emerge, who should monitor it, and so on and so forth. So it is very clear that they are trying to satisfy their paymasters, and it's unfortunate that this group of people found themselves in Labour Party. But obviously I'm not worried, because the time has come for us to separate the wheat from the shaft. The party was a small party, and therefore we accommodated all forms of charlatans in the party, all forms of dubious people in the party. These are people who didn't offer anything to the party. Our Papa scored 0 in Oyo State in the presidential election. Arabambi, who is claiming to be the public secretary, scored 0 in Ogun State in the presidential election. They even supported other candidates in other political parties. They should go and check the record. In Edo, I scored 79% in the presidential election. I ensured that APC and PDP did not get 25% in the presidential election. In the House of Assembly election, in spite of the dollars, in spite of the harassment that was deployed by PDP government in Edo State, I am the only national chairman that won my word hands down. My performances as the national chairman of this party is not in doubt. I inherited a party that was in arrears of salary payments I inherited a party that has no image, and today I have made the party the #1 party in Nigeria. In this party, I have paid my dues. I've been here for 20 years building this party, and today I challenge all other national chairmen of the party. None of them have performed to the level I have performed, and the records are clear. And so for charlatans to come and say they want to take over the party, we laugh at them, we sympathize with them. And I urge Nigerians, whatever information they are getting from them, they are fake news. They try to talk about forgery. What is forgery? Who forged the document? How were those documents forged? Anyway, it is not my intention to talk about that one, but to reassure you that we are in control of the party. I remain the national chairman of the party.
And we are not divided.
And I assure you that we continue to provide leadership. Our cases in court, we continue to defend them. Our House of Rep cases, we defend them to the end. Our senatorial cases, we defend them to the end. And the presidential election petition will defend to the end. Yes, no amount of distraction will stop us from attaining it. I listen to you clearly. You are dreaming for a new Nigeria. And I want to say clearly that no man, no woman, no amount of intimidation, no amount of harassment, no amount of 100 of our papa can stop an idea whose time has come. The time has come for Nigerians to take back their country. The time has come for Labour Party to be in government. And nothing will stop us. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you.